How to upload music to Spotify as an artist. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can upload music to Spotify as an artist. So let's get started. So if you're a creator and you want to upload your own music on Spotify, then you need to get an access to Spotify for Artists. Simply head over to Google, search for Spotify for Artists, and this is the one that you need. Simply click on this website and you will be redirected to artists.spotify.com. Now, over here, you can simply upload the music, but you need to make sure that the music is original, authentic, and you are the owner of that. So you can upload any music to Spotify as a creator using 4 steps. You got to choose a distributor first, and then you got to upload your music, access your dashboard, and prepare for release. So choosing a distributor is a most important step because they make your deal with Spotify. So you got to choose that, and then you got to upload your music, and then you got to access your dashboard and prepare for release. So that is basically how you can upload music as a creator. But if you just want to upload music on Spotify from your local library, just so you can listen on Spotify, you can head over to Spotify and then you gotta click on your profile over here. Once you do so, you gotta click on settings. And when you're redirected to settings, you gotta scroll down till you find the option of your library. Over here, you'll be able to see show local files. Simply toggle this button on, and then you'll be able to see either you can upload songs from downloads or music library. So you can toggle both of these on, or you can click on add a source and select any specific folder from where you wish to import the music. For example, I'm going to click on music, click on OK, and then you'll be able to see this over here, that is local files. Simply click on it and you'll be able to see all of your local files over here. So you can simply play them over here and you can enjoy listening to music on Spotify. So that is basically how you can upload songs on Spotify. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.